You are going to love the 2018 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, speed control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.